Hello, so in this video we are going to see Leetcode problem number 35, which is search insert position. Here you are given a sorted array as nums, just a second, as nums, and you have to find a target in this array. If it is found, then return the index of the target value. Otherwise, if you do not find this target in the nums array, then simply just return the index where it should be placed if it is in the array. So for this, we should know binary search. In binary search, we have two pointers, as first is low and second is high. What we have to do is we have to calculate the mid value, and if our target is greater than mid value, then we will search in the rightmost portion, and if it is not the case, that means target is lesser than mid, then we should select from left value. Okay, now let's just quickly see how we can do this problem. In this question, you are given nums array as this 1, 3, 5 and 6. So I will take the first element, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it is the indexing of the array. I will take the first element as low and the last element as high. Now we have to calculate the mid, and for mid what we will do is low plus high divide by 2. It gives me value. In this case, in this particular case, I will get value low is 0 plus high is 3. Then it will be 1.5, and we have to take the floor value. When you declare a variable int, it by default takes only the floor value. So in this case, my mid will be equals to 1. And for this, now I will check if my target, just a second, if my target is greater or lesser than mid. As you can see here, my mid is indexing 1 in this array, so my element will be 3, and as you can see that nums of mid is lesser than target. Just a second, target. So we will just go in this position, in direction which is right direction, and I will do searching in this half portion, and the other half portion will be left out. So if it is not found, then what we have to do is we have to update our low value to mid plus 1. In this particular scenario, my low will be mid plus 1, and it will be 1 plus 1, then my low will be 2, and high, it is already 3, so we will not change that. Now again we will calculate mid. Now mid will be 2 plus 3 divided by 2. I will get 2.5, and floor of this will be 2. So in this particular portion, I get nums of mid equals to target, so I will return the mid value, which is in this particular scenario is 2. And if this is the first case which we should consider, if we find the target in this nums array. If not, then what we should do? Let's suppose 1. Here it is given to us 1, 3, 5, 6, and the target is given as 2. As you can see here, 2 is not in this array. Now what we have to do is we have to apply binary search, and our low will be updated each time till high. So my loop will start from while low is less than high and mid equals low plus high divided by 2, and if I get nums of mid equals to target, then I found the array target. Then I will simply return this mid value, and if else if my nums of mid is lesser than target, then if just a minute, here it is low, here it is mid. If my nums of mid is lesser than target value, then it will search in this position, and if my target is greater than nums of mid, then it will search in the right position. So for this particular portion, what we have to do is we have to update the low as mid plus 1, else my nums mid will be greater than my target value. In this particular scenario, what we have to do is height equals to mid plus minus 1. High will be shifted to mid minus 1, which is 3 here, and return low. You can just go through this